So I finally got the Telfar Eastpak bag, but I got a large. So I want to see how big this is. Okay. First of all, this bag restocked, I think, on either Friday or Thursday, and I was so stoked to get it because, bro, you know how long it takes to restock this bag? It's please. And this is how it looks. Oh my gosh. This thing is huge. This is the dust bag. I like this better than the other Telfar dust bags, to be honest. And let's open it. Okay. Ooh, I like this size. Yeah, I really like this size. So this is how big the bag is. This is a size large. Once again, I got the color black, so you can see color black. And then this is my medium Telfar. This is the large. So I guess it's approximately maybe like the same size as like my Marc Jacobs, like around that size. But what I also like about this is that it has the backpack, so you can just be, you know, just be on the go, I guess. But I want this as a carry-on because I really want to fit a lot of stuff in here, like an extra outfit, sneakers. So what's in this bag is there's a pocket right here, and then I believe this is a, I guess you could put your laptop on this sleeve part. And then what else? Oh, this is the strap. Comes with a strap. And I don't see anything else. Oh, on this side, I guess you could put maybe your shoes or toiletries on this side. I don't know if you want to leave your toiletries out, but yeah, you could put it right here. And then what else? Yeah, so it's on both sides. Now, I want to know how much stuff can fit in here. So let's test it out real quick. 2 outfits here. I'm gonna put my Steam Deck. What else am I gonna put? This is how it looks when it's full. I'm gonna zip it up. The nylon on this is actually really good. It looks very sturdy. And let's see how it feels with the bag on. Oh, this has some weight on it. Like, for real. This has weight on it. This is a heavy ass bag. And then let's see. I mean, I don't think there's anything else I can really talk about. I like that it has ample space to put all your, you know, all your stuff in. So let me take this out. Let's see. So I think I paid $250 for this. So I think that's like a typical Telfar price. And then I know that the medium is about, I think about $30 or less, but I think this will be a great carry-on, but I'm gonna see how it really is when I travel. Hopefully it can fit under my under the seat, but I think they made this as a carry-on bag for when you travel, or you can use it as a personal item. Like I said, this is the strap, by the way. This is how it looks with the strap. Yeah, like I said, so this comes in different colors. I've seen is, I think it's red, yellow, forest green, and royal blue. But yeah, I really like this bag. I cannot wait to use it. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it when I use it, when I go on my trip. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!